The next 3 weeks, we're going to be looking at over-the-counter hearing aids, starting from the low end at $3.99, going up to the high end at $12.99. These videos are sponsored by Hears Hearing and Hearables, who reached out to me to do a couple demos for them because of my unique perspective of being a musician with hearing loss. I've asked them to send me both the high end and the low end of their over-the-counter hearing aids. I wanted to go over some of the features, why you would choose one over the other, and what my experience is using these. Here are the two that they sent. This is Smart Hearing Aids over-the-counter, OTC, L Hear Beyond. And this one is Conca Labs over-the-counter hearing aids. They have set these up with my hearing tests. We're going to be looking at the Conca SOL over-the-counter hearing aids, and these are priced at $12.99. You don't need a prescription to get these. Okay, set up your Conca Soul hearing aids. Download the app. Sign in to activate your hearing aids. Hear clearly, live freely. And they have directions at conclabs.com. I'm going to guess this is the high end. These look great. The case is really nice, smooth, plastic. They've got cushion plastic inside. You've got two of the hearing aids. Right here, let's look at this really close. Okay, Conca Labs, and this goes into your ear, and a battery goes right here, and this is the volume control right here. The second set they sent are the Ellie Hear Beyond over-the-counter hearing aids. These are $3.99. Very nice case. You've got a USB-C connector. It could be the charger. Opens up. Everything looks pre-charged. And we'll look at these. Oh, these are nice too. These are a little bit larger than the other ones. Volume switch. And this portion goes in your ear. This sits behind your ear. Let's just get the other ones and compare the size. Okay. Next week, join me and I'll do a comprehensive review for the Ellie Ear Beyond over-the-counter hearing aids. And then the following week, I'll do the Conca Soul OTC hearing aids. I was very happy with both of these, and I wish I would have known these were available prior to buying my prescription hearing aids. Join me next week and we'll explore the differences, how they work, how they sound to me, and we'll go from there. Take care. Have a great day. I will see you next week.